My name is Pratik, and I have done my BTech in Chemical Engineering in 2020. Before joining the Learnbay as a learning program, I was a process engineer with 2 years of experience. And after that, doing the Advanced Data Science and AI program. Currently, I'm working as a data analyst in INGENERO Private Limited. My experience at the Learnbay was very enriching. Like I belong from the non-tech background, non-coding background, so we always have that fear of coding. So basically, the learn-based doubt solving or one-to-one sessions, also the well-structured curriculum helped me to gain that confidence. It provides the very different capstone project in of different domains like healthcare, also the finance and banking. So that gives us the real-world data sets for the case studies. So that helps a lot. So basically, the trainers at the day I found is very experience, and it was like highlighted from their the teaching style, how well prepared they before the sessions. So basically, I would highlight the two things here. The first one is the support. The support team was incredibly responsive. Capstone project helped me a lot to crack the interviews.